Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Friday. I am going to show you what I made for Duck Duck Dishcloth. I had a couple weeks to get caught up. So, when you watch the videos, if you watched them yesterday, if not, watch today, Missy from Missy's Yarniverse. I had to play catch up. I had to put my ducks in the picture because I forgot to do my ducks gone wild. And where we had to take a picture of something with to do with ducks. So I put my two little rubber duckies in the background. And then we had the week before we had the fast favorite, which was this red, white, and blue dishcloth. And I finished it. I still have to weave my ends in, but here it is. Here's mine. And I used the 24/7 cotton from Premier 24/7 cotton to make mine. So that's how mine turned out. I think it looks pretty good. And then this past week, the duckies chose Stormy Waters, which is this one right here. Excuse me, Stormy Waters. And it's made up of shell stitches. And so I had a cone. I don't know if I have it over here or not. Nope, I put it away. I have had a cone of cotton yarn, and I don't know if it was peaches and cream or what. It kind of looks like peaches and cream. So this is what mine, again, this is what it looks like in the book. And this is what mine turned out to be. Here's mine. So I think I put my corner down here is a little wonky, so I think I put too many stitches in there, but it's okay. It still looks pretty. I like how it looks. I love how the border's done on this one. So there is my Stormy Waters dishcloth. And all of these dishcloths I'm saving because I'm taking them with me to the fundraiser that I do with my homemakers group to raise money for our club. We give all the money we raise back to the community. So this November we have a homemakers holiday, and I'm going to take those dishcloths and I'm going to put those in to sell for homemakers holiday. So the duckies went crazy again and chose another dishcloth. And the one they chose for this next week is this one. It's on page 4. We're using this book, The Little Encyclopedia of Dishcloths, and it's the Cascade. So that is the one we're doing. And it looks so pretty. I think these are front post stitches. I'm going to look and see here. Yep. Front post. Yep, it's all front. It's front post and single crochets that make up this one. Yep, so single crochets and front posts. So I'm really excited to make this. I have some of this brown, well, it's called cinnamon, and it is the Premier Cotton Fair worsted, and I'm using it, and I'm using a 4mm hook with it. So I will show you that washcloth or dishcloth next Friday. So I counted it, y'all. We only have 7, if I've got them all marked off correctly. I think we only have 7 more dishcloths in this book, and we'll be finished with this. So I'm really excited to do that. So that'll put us 7 weeks. That'll put us about right at the beginning of October, possibly finishing up. So it's about to get here. And then I've got to super focus on holiday gifts. I started on those, but I've got to get busy. So if you're new to my channel, Missy at Missy's Yarniverse and More, I'll have her linked in the description box, along with, I think, oh my goodness, I think there's 20 of us all together, but I could be wrong on that number. But anyway, there's several content creators, and my hair is has a mind of its own today. I'm so sorry. There we go. But squirrel. I just lost all train of thought just then. Missy at Missy's Yarniverse and More started this. She has a little box that she decorated to look like a duck pond, and she has all her little rubber duckies in. And we took this book and we numbered each dishcloth from 1 to 31 because it's not numbered in the book, so we numbered them. I'm highlighting them as we make them to keep track. And so every week she one of us we have sent her a number. The content creators that are involved in this, we've sent her a number, and she draws one of our names out of a jar with that number. And whatever, like this past week, I think it was 5 that somebody said, so that's how many ducks she draws out. And the last duck, she shows us the number on its little bottom, and that's the dishcloth that we make. So yeah, so I'm really excited to, I love doing front post double crochets. So I think it's doubles. Yep, because you yarn over. Front post double crochets. I really love making those. They're a lot of fun, and this is some really pretty texture. So it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful dishcloth. So yeah, I do this every Friday. She puts her videos out on Thursday. And then I already have something I do on Thursdays. So I do my Duck Duck dishcloth video on Fridays. So what we do is we make the dishcloth. We send her a picture. She's keeping track. And everybody that does all 31 dishcloths, we are going to get a little patch that says Duck Duck dishcloth, and it has a little duck in the middle. It's really cute. So I'm excited to earn that patch. So yeah, I got a busy weekend coming up, lots of things to do. And so the next video out will be, I'll go going live on Monday, and yeah, live on Monday. Tuesday night I'll be live with Shannon for Tink Peel Live. Wednesday will be the reveal for Battle of the Stitches, where I show you my completed project. Thursday, Devotional Thursdays, and then Friday back to Duck Duck dishcloth again. So there's some changes that I'm going to be making for 2027, but I'm not going to fill you guys in on any of that until closer to that time. So anyway, that's Duck Duck dishcloth for this Friday. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. I checked, I don't have my phone up here, but I checked my numbers yesterday. I haven't checked them today because I've been really busy, but I checked numbers yesterday. We are at 2,729 the last time I checked. I'll have to check again and give y'all a better update. But so that means that we are only 200 and, let me see if I can math in my head today. 271, yeah, away from 3,000 subscribers. Whoop whoop. So I'm so excited for that. So thank you for watching Duck Duck dishcloth today, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.